Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. Y plus x equals 6 is our equation 1, and y plus xy equals 8 is our equation 2. Okay, there'll be need for us to get our equation 3 that will be obtained from equation 1. So y in equation 1 is equal to 6 minus x. So we shall use this as our equation 3. And then it is equation 1 that gave birth to equation 3. So use this equation 3 in equation 2. In place of y, I will use 6 minus x. So I'm working on equation 2 now. Then plus, this is xy, I'll write x. Then y is 6 minus x. Everything is equal to this 8. Now open the bracket so that 6 minus x plus 6x minus x squared is equal to 8. From here, let's continue, because 6 minus x plus 6x is plus 5x. Then minus x squared, and it's equal to 8. Let us rearrange this in a better way, beginning from minus x squared. Then I have plus 5x. And I pick this is plus 6. This becomes minus 8 on the left hand side. Now nothing on the right, so we have this to be 0. Now what do? This is minus x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0, because 6 minus 8 is 2, minus 2 rather. Now we are not interested in having this negative coefficient. To remove the negative coefficient, we'll multiply all through by minus 1. And when you multiply the same thing by every member or every term of an equation, you are not changing the equation. So this will give us x squared. This will give us minus 5x. This will turn to plus 2. And there's nothing like minus 0, so write as 0 there. Now we want to use the formula to solve this. This is a quadratic equation. What formula do we use? Let's use this formula. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. The most difficult thing to do here is to remember this formula. And then the next to do is knowing your ABC. Now this is a, right? So what will be our a in this equation? Our a is the coefficient of x squared, 1. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 5. And c is the constant, which is 2. Now put all of this into the formula, meaning that our x shall be minus 5, because this negative here will appear first, and b itself is minus 5, so it has to be there. Then plus or minus, we have b squared. What is b squared? Minus 5 to the power of 2. Minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 2. Then we divide all of this by 2 times 1. To continue, we have x to be equal to minus is 5, plus or minus 5 squared is the same as 25. Then minus 4 times 1 times 2 is 8. So I'll write 8 over here. Then divide all of this by 2, because 2 times 1 is still 2. To continue from here, x will be, do not find the square root of 25 or find the square root of 8 until you simplify them. So we have 5 plus or minus square root of 25 is, okay, no need for that, subtract. 25 minus 8 is 27, so we have 27 here, then we divide by 2, right? So to continue from here, it means that x is equal to 5 plus square root of 27, everything divided by 2, or 5 minus square root of 20. Okay, how did I get 27? It's 17. 25 minus 8 is 17. This is 17. This is 17. Then we divide by 2. By the way, I can still simplify this. So I have x to be equal to 5 over 2 plus square root of 17 over 2, or 5 over 2 minus square root of 17 over 2. So these are the two values of x, and we need our equation 3 back so that we can get the value of y. Okay, so our equation 3 is y equals 6 minus x. Now let's go. Y will now be 6 minus open bracket, our x is 5 over 2 plus square root of 17 over 2. This means that our y is equal to 6 minus 5 over 2 minus square root of 17 over 2. Because of how do you call it, the negative will open the bracket there, and I can even subtract or simplify what I have here. So y will be the LCM, this is over 1, the LCM is 2. Then 6, 2 times 6 is 12, minus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 5, we have 5. Then we have minus root 17. So our y is equal to this minus this will give us 7. So I write 7 here minus square root of 17, and that will be everything over 2. So what are we saying? We are saying that when x is equal to 5 over 2 plus root 17 over 2, y is equal to 7 minus root 17, everything over 2. So this is what we have. So let's get the other value of x and y very quickly. The equation still remains y equals 6 minus x. Now y is equal to 6 minus open bracket, our x will now be 5 over 2 minus square root of 17 over 2. If you open this, you have y equals 6 over 1 minus 5 over 2. Then we have plus square root of 17 over 2. The LCM is 2, so y is 2 here. Okay, then we have 12 here, minus here we have 5, because 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 5 is 5. Then plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times root 17 is root 17. So our y is 12 minus that will be 7, then plus square root of 17 as we divide everything by 2. This also means that when x is equal to 5 over 2 minus square root of 17 over 2, y is equal to 7 plus square root of 17 over 2. So by this we have solved the problem completely. And if you enjoyed this method, subscribe to my channel and share this to people that will need this video.